Hello everyone and welcome back. If you're getting an upload error in Buffer and your images or videos won't upload, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Buffer upload errors in 2026 using your Windows PC or Mac. Let's go through the solution step by step. First, sign in to your Buffer account and try uploading your file again. Sometimes a temporary connection issue can interrupt the upload process, and trying again may solve the problem. Next, check your internet connection. Large media files require a stable and reliable internet connection. If your connection is slow or unstable, restart your router and try the upload again. Now verify that your file is supported by Buffer and the social media platform you're publishing to. Make sure the file format, size, and resolution meet the platform's requirements. Unsupported files often fail during upload. If the upload still doesn't work, rename the file using simple letters and numbers only. Very long file names or special characters can occasionally cause upload problems. Next, refresh the Buffer dashboard and clear your browser's cache and cookies. Restart your browser afterward and sign back into Buffer before uploading the file again. You should also try another browser such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Mozilla Firefox. Browser-related issues can sometimes interfere with file uploads. Temporarily disable any VPN, proxy server, antivirus web protection, or browser extensions like ad blockers. These tools may interrupt secure uploads or block network requests. Also, make sure your browser is updated to the latest version. Running an outdated browser can lead to compatibility issues with modern file upload features.